In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow anyone to upload files to your Google Drive folder step by step so you can collect documents, images, videos, or any other files from other people without giving them full access to your whole drive. This is really useful for teachers, clients, teams, event organizers, and anyone who needs a simple upload folder that others can use. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with the Google account you want to use to create the shared folder. Once you're inside Google Drive, look for the New button on the left side of the screen and click it. This is where you create new folders, files, and uploads inside your drive. From the menu that appears, click New Folder. A small window will pop up asking you to name the folder. Type a clear name for the folder so people will know exactly what it's for. For example, you could name it something like File Uploads, Client Submissions, or Shared Documents. After naming the folder, click Create. Now you should see your new folder in Google Drive. Click on the folder you just created so it opens or becomes selected. Next, look for the three dots on the right side of the folder row. This is the More Actions menu. And from here, you can access sharing options. Click the three dots, then choose Share. When the sharing window opens, click Share again if prompted. On some accounts, you may also use the shortcut control Alt and A to open sharing settings faster. Now pay close attention to the General Access section. By default, this is usually set to restricted, which means only specific people can use the folder. To allow other people to upload files, change that drop-down to Anyone with the link. Once you click Anyone with the link, you'll see another option for permission level. Change the role from viewer to editor. This is the most important step because viewers can only look at files, but editors can add and upload content into the folder. If you want people to upload files, the folder must be set to editor access. After that, click Copy Link. This copies the shareable folder link to your clipboard, and now you can send it by email, text, chat, or even embed it into a form or website. Anyone who receives that link and has permission can open the folder and upload files directly into it. When you're finished, click Done to save everything, and that's it. Your Google Drive folder is now ready to accept uploads from anyone with the link. Just remember, if you want to keep things secure, only share the link with the people you trust, because anyone with editor access may be able to add files to that folder. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.